tropical season has been a quiet and calm one thus far. Only one named storm so far here in 2017, but it looks like here on the 10th of June 2017, we have a new tropical depression. Is it a named storm yet? Not quite yet. The Japan Meteorological Agency has upgraded this. It was Invest 96W. Moved over the Philippines. Really blew up with convection over the past 24 hours. They did declare it that tropical depression. So we could have our second named storm of 2017, according to JMA at the very least. But right now, they are not forecasting it to become a tropical storm, so it's still actually a minor TD. But if we take a look at some numerical guidance and plus just the prognosis with this, if you just take a look at how it's progressing, I should say, over the past 24 hours and extrapolate that, given the conditions around it. Now, that's a very basic way of looking at how to forecast these systems, but still, it does look like, despite a little bit of vertical wind shear down toward the south of that center of circulation, we could be seeing some more intensification. So let's take a look first at some of the numerical guidance. And first, I'll show you the ECMWF, using one of my favorite tools in making these weather updates, the MeteoEarth app. And you can just get this on the Mac or the Microsoft computers. Both of them have it. And you can take a look at the ECMWF here, winds at the surface and aloft. But let's stick here with the winds, also precipitation. And this does indicate some intensification with this storm progressing off towards the north, with the center moving right about near Hong Kong. Now, if you're in Hong Kong, you're probably thinking, oh, that's not good. Well, typically with these type of storm systems, especially since we're going to have some shear with the southwest monsoon, even though the center would move right over the city in this specific scenario by Monday afternoon through the evening hours, even in the Tuesday early morning, the worst of the weather is going to be located just towards the east of Hong Kong across Guangdong province. So, yeah, that's where the heaviest of the rainfall would be. Now, GFS, a little bit further towards basically the east, and keeps it rather weak. It actually doesn't initiate this very much, but if we take a look at the HWRF, the high resolution hurricane model here, then you can see it actually intensifies it a lot more and pushes it right near the city of Hong Kong. So there's a lot going on here. Most of the models do take it right over Hong Kong, which keeps the worst of the weather just towards the east of it. If you are in the Philippines, I know heavy rain has been hitting that area a few days now, and since this is moving away, the precipitation should decrease, but still we have some of that inflow coming in around from the southwest monsoon. So even into the Manila area, as we head into Monday, you might still see some continued showers out there, but the good news, this is kind of pulling away and back there towards the north. And you can take a look actually at spaghetti models here, and all of it really keeps it on the track, with some of the runs actually pulling it more further towards Taiwan, and many of them actually pulling back towards Hong Kong. So yeah, I really think that a landfalling tropical depression, maybe a weak tropical storm, possible right around Hong Kong or just east of there. This is, right now, just because of the shear, despite the very warm sea surface temperatures we are seeing out here. Remember, we haven't had any tropical systems thus far, so the oceans are definitely heating up. Despite that warm sea surface temperatures, I think that shear should keep this on the weaker side. Right now, though, JTWC keeps it at a medium area or a medium chance of development in the next 24 hours. So we're going to continue to keep an eye on it, guys. I haven't made one of these video updates in a while, so a little bit rusty on it, but I would like to get back into it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We're going to keep a close eye on this one.